That's why we reach you the other day when you call me in a ball, your water. You see, that's why you call me in a ball boat. That's why it reach you. Yeah. Your heart dirty and corrupt, sir.
Hey, me I said if you know, say I keep representing the fullest, you know what I mean? The Scluba. Everything locked in to the fullest. Out upon them. Beat.
Yeah, do your little video, your little live, where you intertwine, where you say, with our next topic, yeah, to make it look like, say, you're speaking in general, but you're low-key, you try style me and I try to talk about me, and I come, yeah, you do to a slip way. Hear this, yeah. Me need you to take the whole of the song, them, yeah? Take all of the song, them, sir, because you come talk about couple lines when you have the two. Listen, and you have the couple lines, them, you know, and then you walk come talk about, when people have a couple lines, bumble hole, you know, to write like that, you know, to write them kind of song there. Hey, take the song them, yam them, choke on them, man, dead off. Jesus God, eh? Take the song them, yam them, choke on them, and dead off. Jesus God, you know what would have caused this year. Big Ungrateful Philistine, Ungrateful pussy hole. Take the song them, yam them, choke on them and dead off. Jesus God, me never hungry before me know you. Me never hungry while me know you. And me no hungry blood clot now. That's why we reach you the other day when you call me in a ball, your water. You see, that's why you call me in a ball boat. That's why it reach you. Yeah. Your heart dirty and corrupt, sir. Yeah. You see that way reach you? More a come here, more a come. If your blood clot bad, call me name when you're there alive. Call me name and say I'm here talk. If your bumper clot bad, call me name when you talk about the couple lines, then call my name. You see when reach you the other day, sir, you have more balling to do. You have more ball, and I still have a hold it, you know. You hold it. I hold it, you know. Because you intertwine with your reasoning, you know. So you know, make it look like a me, you try say something about, you know, about couple lines or something, you know. Hey, Jesus, yeah, Black River style, you know, that shit. Black River style, you know, where crocodile feast and dine. Yeah. My lyrics too. Yeah. My lyrics that tough, what you say. Yeah. Black River style, where crocodile feast and bumbleclot dine. Jesus God. Eh? I him them me want to fling you. Eh? Eh? Hey, when the man is not dead, man? Hey, why you not got dead? Eh? Eh? I want you. Oh, anybody want to try to take me on legally? Nobody not going to take you on legally. We're going to make them name this song them and dead after that we are going to do. Eh? Who you think are going to fight with you? Who you think are going to really fight with you? Eh? You think that me, I go run up and down in a courthouse and hard for something with you? Over some song when me write? Sir, you can't take away my talent. Yeah, you cannot take it away. I'm the writer. Eh? I am the writer. Me play a clap. Me say, no. Me say, no. Me don't know why them send me, you know. Me don't know why them send me, Father God. Look here, no, don't send me this up there. Stop sending cup. Stop. Look here. Do not send a man your cup. Jesus God. Oh, stop. Listen, stop fucking download shit and send to me. I don't want to see this old Sam 5 Philistine bumblehole, ungrateful pussy hole when you need to choke on the blood clot song them and dead. You don't understand me? Eh? Look on the time I'm on when you make me a fear come here, so no, because you not send me this fuckery now. Eh? And no, say me head chip off of one part. Jesus God, no. Just when me you know, say, me know what cause this now, you know. Yeah. Because yesterday on the ear whip on the live, you know. Yeah. And the people them must say, oh no, they can't come out and say anything. So no cook up with no little plan now. Yeah. You and Guinea cook up with no little plan now and say, hey, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this situation that's going on with them and just intertwine in your thing, and yeah. And then we see a little puppet underneath it. All you big bumble will puppet to underneath there, right? You say we never see nothing like this. After the man chat you so and call you bumble and everything something there. Look how you're up and down underneath the man so. Hey, Jesus, God, no frisky. Oh no frisky, you know. Oh no frisky. I never want to believe it, you know. Father God, I never want to believe it. Them frisky, Lord God. Them frisky. Them frisky. Call me name. Alright, if you're bumbuckler bad, if you think you're bad, say pepper seed. Right, couple of the line then. Say that. Yeah. I'm going to give you a chance to do that. Yeah. Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow, sir. When you come back, say pepper seed, write a couple lines and you write most of it. Come back and say it. Come back and say it. Listen, I will empty out this blood clot here. I will empty out air. Listen to me. Look here. Look here. Nobody come in an old fridge, you know. We can't hold blood clot in a dog shit. Eh? You better move on, you know. You better move the fuck on, because guess what? Me willing to walk away and you can keep the song them and yam them and choke on them and dead. Jesus God. You see, you wonder man have to come out, come call my name, you know. Eh? You come intertwine it in with one next story like a bitch. Yeah. He's a little bitch, he's a little coward. You say, you? No, sir. No. Me not following up with this I wanna do. You and Guinea sit down and plan up this whole thing you know. Yeah? You want to get up underneath it. You want to get up underneath the little post now. Every minute you might write something. Are you get up? Let me say, you know frisky, you know? Yo, nobody can tell me say them man no frisky. Look here. Now me know say I true the people them attack with them a blood clot. Say, oh no, happy fucking frisky. There's no way this big old tough clown get up underneath your post and run up and down. So, back a man. And I come to about, and they know the truth. Pussy, what? Let me find out something from you, Guinea. Guinea, you did sit down. Me in a car right now, sit down. And you did sit down, write the song them. Can write the song, me sit down, write the one blood clot song them. Yes, I'm sure me sit down now. Me wonder if you did sit down, yes, all right. Eh? Me wonder if you did sit down, yes, all right. Dog shit. Yeah, run up and down, and then the people sit at about, and they know the truth. What the fuck you know? You did there, yes, all right. Eh? Eh? What you writing, I said? What did you write? Because the way you have one, me I wonder if you write the blood clot song them now. Me I wonder if you write the song them, because I could have never me. Eh? Oh, you have run up and down so. Oh, you have run up and down so like you write. Like a girl through it gone. Me not understand. Hey, me I tell you, Black River style, you know, man. A Black River style, don't forget all what go on, you know. Black River style. That can solve the whole problem. Eh? Eh? Me say, if we take this song, no, listen to me. We don't have to go back and forth over this. I need you to take this song, them, yam them, and choke on them, and dead. Me not think you don't understand, you know. Me not think you don't understand. Me need you for dead, and that me need. Me say, you? No, sir. That's why you have to call me in a ball, you want up on the phone. That's why we reach you. I'm so tell the bumbleclot world why you a blood clot ball. One fuck around with me. If you think it's a blood clot, but come call me name. If you think you're bad, if you think Philistine, if you think you're bad, come out, come say pepper seed, write a couple of the lines. Jesus God, come out, come say it. Come out, come say it. Me want to see. Me want to see how bad your blood clot be. Yeah. Me want to see it. Eh? Carry go bring come. Carry go bring come. Can't hold it for people business in a bumble rascal phone. We say, I want you come up. We say, man, listen to me now. May I give you a chance to come out and say pepper seed. Only write a couple lines. Because me notice you, the way you do that live here, you know, you intertwine it in with some other people to make it look like you're speaking in general. Big bumble hole. Yeah? Yeah? Because he's a little bitch and they're quite a little coward, you know. You don't understand me. He's a little girl, you know. Yeah, man. Mama man tendencies and all type of fuckery I keep right yourself. You don't understand what I say? So you have to try. You and this fucking get up, you cook up this, you know. Yeah. Oh my God, we gotta say something, so let's use this to do it. Yeah. Because the people are saying, oh, you haven't said anything. Hey! It's a man, you know, so that's why. And that's why the world has still saying that. I'll tell you now. Say you, no, sir. No. Me say me only hope and pray so I get to live to see a destruction. Father God, me I beg you, don't make me dead before that man. Please, do not make me dead before that man. Me want to see the end. Me want to see the end. Jesus God, me never see nobody so ungrateful from the day I was born. Alright, so me sit down. At this time too. This are the kind of time then when we usually sit down here until 4 o'clock in the morning. We sit down here and write the clocks and them. So me know that me talk when you say a couple lines in a dog shit. So that's why I know say you try to come do it in a some little style way, some little sykes way. I say, if you're blood clot body, man. I say, if you brave, you come back tomorrow and say, pepper seed only write a couple lines. I say, yo, if you, you're not going to do it, you know. No, you're not going to do it. You're not going to do it. I know, say, I chip off for one blood clot part. First of all, you know, say, me done with that something here. Me done with that something here, you know, me calm down. Me done with that something here. And I say, all right, you know what? Make the pussy will just yam the song them. Because it's not like, say, when you yam the song them, you yam my fingers. You understand what I say? My fingers are still here. My hands are still here. Yeah. My brain is still here. I am the writer. It means I can write 100 more. So you can't take me gift. You can't take me talent. You don't understand? So me will make a go on with the song them, youth. Take them and choke on them and dead off. And that me I try to tell you, I'm going to suck out your mother. Take this hand them and go suck your mother with them. You don't understand me? Eh? And your grandmother. And your whole blood clot generation, your whole family tree. Eh? Wanna fuck around with me? Hey, you see I come, hey, you know, see me move past this blood clot, yeah? Eh? You know, see me alone and tell you to keep the bumper clots on them. Eh? Eh? Yeah, come talk about, oh, anybody wanna take people to court and something and not about copyright something and oh, it starts at 1 million, blah, blah, blah. Pussy wall. Me did hungry when my blood clot, know ya? Eh? Me did hungry? Eh? Me never hungry before me know ya, me not hungry blood clot now. Go and suck out your mother 10,000 times. Go suck out your mother 10,000 times. And then dead off right after. Eh? I want to know. I'm not come talk about court and lawsuit and anybody want to try. So, I'm here, fool. Fool, I want you. When me write this song, when me write this song, and a friend me write them as a deal. Eh? Me and you know the discussion going to bump up that money. You know what me did want for the fucking song them? I wanted you to be loyal, dog shit. But you're incapable of doing that because your heart corrupt and dirty is a big bumble sampai. Eh? And the whole of the people them will wrong you. Your immediate close people them. Them so fucking know say you're sampai if you ever call me blood clot name. If you think you're bad, you call me name and say, me now mash up your dolly house. I want you. Eh? Or you come by here somewhere, you come intertwine in story and I come go like you want. Throw some blood clot shades and I come try some crazy shit. Eh? And you know when Edgy Papa one blood clot part already, I come go like you don't know who pepper seed is. Why you come out and I go like you don't know who pepper seed write this song, them you know who my blood clot is, can you hear the things them go under this song. So you know so me sick. So me know where you get up now about your schedule live and I come intertwine in story and I come with your fuckery. Eh? And I come talk about couple lines or something or another, I don't know what you say. Dog shit. Eh? And where you are going with them? I can't wait for you to say your blood clot dead. Every day I wake. Every day I wake. The only thing me I wake up and look for is to see you fucking dead. And I want to see a dead body trending on YouTube. Yeah. I want to wake up to your dead body trending. #1 trending. Because they find it in a ditch or somewhere in some careless position. Eh? And that me want to wake up and see. Every day I eat me awake. I don't think you understand. I don't think you're getting it. I'm waiting for you to die in a fucked up way. And that me awake, pan. Eh? You come talk about courthouse. What courthouse you talk about? Me I talk about blood clot, med arrest and dove cat. And that's some there. Me there med arrest, dove cat, family plot, fucking cremation, eh? Black River style. Yo, and that me away pan. You talk about courthouse? What courthouse you talk about? Me I read bad blood clot people. What courthouse you talk about? What kind of informer courthouse? So no me, sir, look here. Look, listen. On a load of something here. Load of something here. Come here, try. You know, so me really and truly I try to just. I just want it. I want it to be over. I want it to be over, you know, because if it continue down the road, yeah, it's not gonna end well for many people. Many people in your life, it's not going to end well for them. Yes, sir, it won't end well. I need you to remember back good everything. Remember back good everything. Yeah. And if you can't remember good, go through your phone. Go through your phone so you can remember back good. Yeah. Sit down and listen to everything and read back everything so you can see everything what me have, because what I have, you have. Yeah. So then look on everything and see how you feel about any of this information going on the street. Tell me how you feel about it. Eh? If you think your blood clot bad, if you think you're bad, come back again, and this time you intertwine in the blood clot story in a way you are wow with them. Come out and say pepper seed. Write a couple lines and see what happens. Yeah. Do that. Because the way you do this now, I know what you try to do, you know. You try to make it look like you're talking in general. And you're talking about the TJ, them situation. So you try to make it look, you know. Yeah. But you kind of intertwine me in it a little bit with some low-key shades right there. So, you know, you have to do it that way because he's a little bitch, you know. Yeah. She's a little girl now. You can't just come out straight. As a matter of fact, you know, say really and truly, I come here to come out and give me credit for the whole of them blood clots and them, because really and truly, you know the truth, you know. You know the truth, so I say the right to say right, all of them say, hey, that man is a big old bumper old demon, you know. Eh? That's why nobody no blood clot like you. That's why the whole fuck, you know, me an idiot. All this time, you know, I say, oh, so much people for hear that man. How so much, I can't, all of the people, them something wrong with it. Eh? What's the chance of that? What's the chance? Eh? Nobody no blood clot like you. The whole entire music fraternity hate you. All the one them will talk to you hate you. All the one them will talk to you hate you. Even the one them will talk to you low-key hate you. No one likes you. Because your heart is corrupt. And that's why we reached the other day when you ball the eye water. Yeah? Remember saying me about the eye water to you, know, sir? You see, when reaching in the situation where you ball, more come here. More that come. Some more that happen to you. Yeah. Yeah. Because as long as you continue to be this big old ungrateful bumble demon, just know say a lot more is coming. I give some time. I give some time to think things through, yeah? Things. Because I guess remember say, you can know what me have, you know, because you have it too, you know. Yeah. So you just run through the whole thing and see how you feel about any of that kind of information. If you ever come out and call me blood clot, you see. But say if you think your blood clot bad, see man. But say if a man you thinking bad, Father God, who said no drunk prayer? Who send your dog shit? Eh? Why you not going to join your mama? Eh? Why you not going to join your mama? Eh? He's a nuisance on earth. He's a plague. You are a fucking plague. You're like the black plague. Yo. You're the black plague. When you go in any situation, you just infect it and spread like a freaking disease, like a virus. And just take over the whole thing, and then you just suck out the energy out of anything where you go near. You just destroy it. You know, understand me? Eh? You destroy anything where you go near. You are a plague. You are the black plague. You suck out the energy, the life out of anything where you go around. You know, understand me? That's why nobody in a blood clot like you. Jesus, God, no, sir. They say if you think you're bad, come and see what you're doing now. I see you look up. I mean, no, not really your plan this alone, you know. I know, say, you and Guinea, you know, you and Guinea plan this, you know. Because this have Guinea written all over it, you know. I know Guinea style, you know. Yeah, man. And you and Guinea, you know, sit down on this side, you know, cook up that something, you know, and say, yo, if we talk about the TJ or something, but then we're going to just kind of intertwine in some things about she, you know. Yeah. But we are doing it in a neat way, so it don't really look like a she we're talking about. We're talking general. Pussy wall, if you think your blood clot, but come out and say pepper seed. If you think about come out and say pepper seed, only write a couple lines. Come out and say, come out and blood clot say, let me mash up the fucking internet. Come out and say, let me destroy the internet, yes, sir. And destroy many people around you. People who you love. Yeah. The few little people that you have in your life that you love, I can fuck up their feelings, I can fuck up them hearts. Because you chat the whole of them. Or some fight, if you think you're bad, come out and call my name. Come out and call my name and say, it's me, right couple line, yeah? Dark shit. You really think say you can pull off this way you try to pull off? A 20-year you run from the man. So if it is bad like blood clot that, you would have been do it. Dog shit. Everybody